Yo, hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how you can set up Google Authenticator on Coinbase. So to make that happen, we need to go ahead and open our account. So make sure to sign in into your Coinbase account, and once you are inside of your account, go to the profile section, and from there go to the security. Once you are in the security, you would need to go to two-step verification, as you can see right here, and here choose the available methods, which is by clicking on this button right over here. Then it's very simple from this area. Simply just go ahead and choose the Authenticator app, as you can see here. So here you can click on setup, and simply they will text you like a code into your phone. In case like you haven't connected your phone to here, you will be asked to connect your phone first, then it will be prompted to actually write down the code. So here I have received my code, so I'm gonna just go ahead back to the security, to step verification, and here I'm gonna choose my Authenticator app setup, and here I'm simply gonna write down the code. So it is, I think, this. As you can see guys, now I have simply gone through the process of setting up my Authenticator. So this is my QR code, so it's very simple from now on. I'm simply gonna go here and download my Authenticator application. So if you don't have any application here, there was many of them basically mentioned. For me, I'm gonna use the Google one, so simply go ahead and scan this. Go to your Google Authenticator. Now this is going to be clear for you guys, so you can use it. I don't mind it at all, since this account is simply going to be used for this tutorial, but for you guys, do not share this icon with anyone. So I'm going to simply just open this in my Google account. I'm going to go ahead and allow it, add scan QR code, and once it is scanned, I'm going to click on continue, and here I should put down the code that I will receive. So for me, it's 897954, and as you can see, now Authenticator app is connected. And yeah, that was it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.